I'll get it pulled off.
We've got to the 28, they'll be there in 5 minutes. They'll pass down the carriageway.
We monitor CCTV and traffic flows from across the network so we can ensure that any incidents are identified quickly so that we can deploy traffic officers as soon as possible to assist members of the travelling public. So, for example, if someone's involved in a collision or an incident or there's a breakdown on the network, we can use all the information at our disposal to ensure that traffic officers are sent out to the right place at the right time. We can update our communication channels and we can work with partner agencies within the emergency services to ensure that we're minimising risk to the travelling public and everyone can continue their journeys safely.
Your attention, please. There is a fire in the tunnel. Leave your vehicle immediately and exit the tunnel.
We work in partnership with Traffic Wales and the fire service, attending familiarisation sessions like this one and simulation training exercises in the tunnels so that we become familiar with the equipment and the procedures and the protocols. So if there is actually an emergency within the tunnels, we can work well together, we know what we're doing, and we go towards the safety of the motorists in general, so we'll keep everybody safe.
Well, tonight we've obviously closed Penman Bark Tunnel. We're doing a number of activities. Activities such as cleaning the drainage, which is essential to get water off the carriageway. We don't want freezing water on the carriageway. We're doing work on all the ventilation fans, all the lighting, make sure it's clean, all the fire detection systems, and also all the things that generally just keep people safe in the tunnels. Generally, we'll close the tunnel about every 4 months, but also this depends on whether there's additional projects or additional safety features we want to enhance. But generally, every 4 months we'll close the tunnel. We'll close it for normally about 2 nights, and that gives us enough time to thoroughly clean the tunnel as well as do all that essential maintenance.